What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video, we have modified this program, which is our bookstore application, to make it more efficient. So in this video, we will continue this process. So let's begin. So guys, to make it more readable and more easy, so what we can do is we can remove this connection from each function, each particular function. For that, what you have to do is you have to remove this close connection from here in the init function, and then you have to remove it from every function, the view function. Let me remove this print line also, the search function, uh, the delete function, and the update function. Here you can see the program look more readable now and more organized. And now if we run our file, let's see what we get. Python store.py. Okay, we got an error, the cur is not defined. So what's an error? Okay guys, I found the error. That is that we are trying to run our program this we are trying to run our program without this cur function, because the cur variable is in this def init function, and we are trying to access it in these. So how can we improve it? For this, you have to do what you have to do is put this self dot before cur and con for all the. Let's do it for first view, view, then again for the view. Let's check it out if it's running fine or not. Oops, Python steve.py. Let's view it. Yep, it's working fine now. Let's do it for all other functions. Where's the insert? Let's do it for insert also. Yep, one more thing is that if you run it and press it, and if you again press this button, you will get an error, the connection has been lost. To prevent that, what you have to do is you have to remove this close connection button from here. Wait, I will tell you how you can close the connection, but first let's run the program. Here you can see, you can tap it as many times as you want. It is running fine now. Let's do it for others also. Remove the close. We'll close the function at the end. Dot self. Remove this close. Dot self. Dot self. Dot self. Oops, remove this. And here also dot self, self dot. Let's check if the program is running fine or not. Python store.py, and if I view all, and if I want to, let's say add a new book, let's say my book, Author Lakshit 2020. ISBN, let's say this review. Yep, it's working fine now. Now guys, our program is running fine and it's time to close the program. If we don't close the program, whenever you try to create a new database, it will show an error because we have not closed this program. So to close it, we will define another function. Its name is delete, and what you have to do is self dot connection, oops, connection dot close. Let's run, let's run it. Mm, view all. Yep, it's all working fine. So that's all for this program. Okay, we got an error, some type of error. Let me just check it out. Yep, it's the same error. We have to pass it self here. Now if you try to run it and close it, okay, it shows an error. Okay guys, that was just a server error from my side. So that's all for this tutorial, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask me in the comment box. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon also. And in the next video we'll create a bank account management system, so make sure you stay tuned, and thank you, and meet in the next tutorial.